What's the meaning of candidacy? Candidacy. Candidacy.
Candidacy. Candidacy. Candidacy refers to the state or status of being a candidate. It is typically used in the context of elections or job applications, where individuals express their interest in a position and are considered as potential candidates. The term implies a formal process of evaluation and selection, as candidates are judged based on their qualifications, experiences, and suitability for the role. Successful candidacy results in being chosen for the position sought after, while unsuccessful candidacy means that the individual does not get selected for the role.